Hi everyone, I'm Alejandro Law. Did you know that in Costa Rica there are 23,000 tons of PET accumulated per year? PET is the plastic that is used on bottles, straws, and cups. This is the plastic that we usually use to drink Coca-Cola. In Costa Rica, there's only 9,000 tons of PET processed to recycle. Also, in 2013, the MINAET, the Ministerio Nacional de Ambiente, has done a research with the national. Also, the MINAET has worked with the National Oil Refinery to work with the fuel supplies that use in the car process due to the contaminant additive that is used in the fuels called MMT. Also, did you know that Norway has the equivalent population of Costa Rica, 4 million people, and emits 6 times more carbon dioxide than Costa Rica? Japan emits 30 times more carbon dioxide than Costa Rica, and the population is 17 times bigger than Costa Rica. Chile population is 6 times bigger than Costa Rica and emits 10 times bigger more carbon dioxide than Costa Rica.
Good morning, my name is Nicolás Hernández. I'm a student of the English faculty of ULACIT in Costa Rica, and I'm going to explain you about the importance of recycling. And every day people wonder about why recycling is important. Recycling has become one of the most important activities in the world. Also, it helps to create a solution for thousands of tons of solid waste that are being produced by human beings around the world. And there are 5 reasons of why recycling is important. First of all, it produces less impact and harm on the environment. Therefore, less garbage is thrown away on the street, and it improves the quality of air that we breathe. Second, it saves a great amount of non-renewable natural resources, such as in the case of petroleum, coal, and metals that are saved. Third, it diminishes the use of energy in the process of obtaining raw materials. Fourth, it saves energy and time in the process of creating new products. And last but not least, it generates thousands of employment opportunities for those who have pure resources or they are dedicated just to collect garbage, or people who work in recycling factories. One of the materials that Costa Rica recycles are scrap tires. In contrast to the US and Japan, they are leaders in tire recycling. The US recycles 290 million tons of tires a year, whereas in Japan, it only recycles 1 million tons of tires that are accumulated per year. And our country only consumes 1/3 of the tires that recycle in the US and Japan, and we lack the infrastructure that we need to use to shred and break down those tires into reusable materials. Now, my partner Jose will explain to you the results from the survey that we got.
According to Belgian Involvement in their article complementing empirical evidence on global recycling and trace waste paper, developing countries, such in the case of Costa Rica, have tropical forests which often provide us with fiber that made them less appropriate to produce paper. That's why in Costa Rica it's very important to promote the paper recycling. In our survey, we found that 84% of the people have been participating in reforesting campaigns, and also 100% of the people will take care of the tree if they have it in their garden. These citizens are interested to maintain the ecological balance, and the trees in this case give us a healthier environment to live, and also facilitate some conditions to animals to live, for example birds. And also if the trees are planted next to a river, they avoid food, which is very important. Another important result is that 88% of the people agree in the investment of environmental protection rather than infrastructure, and also 96% of the people disagree in environmental education in school and high school. And these results show us two important facts. First, in Costa Rica, tourism is a very important activity, so if we invest more money on environmental protection, we could offer a better attractions